Welcome to AutoReview Pro, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Jeep Avenger, a compact SUV that combines Jeep's iconic off-road capability with modern technology and electrified performance. As Jeep's first all-electric SUV, the Avenger is designed to appeal to urban explorers and adventure enthusiasts alike, delivering a unique blend of style, practicality, and sustainability. The 2025 Jeep Avenger is powered by an advanced electric motor that produces 152 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, providing smooth acceleration and efficient performance. Equipped with a 54-watt battery pack, the Avenger offers a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for both city commutes and weekend getaways. The vehicle supports fast charging, allowing an 80% recharge in just 30 minutes. Jeep has also included regenerative braking technology to enhance efficiency and extend the range. On the outside, the Avenger retains Jeep's signature rugged styling while adopting a modern and aerodynamic look. The iconic 7-slot grille has been reimagined with a sleek, closed-off design, while LED headlights and taillights give it a futuristic touch. Compact dimensions, bold lines, and athletic proportions make the Avenger both stylish and practical, ensuring it stands out on urban streets and off-road trails. The plastic cladding and skid plates emphasize its adventurous DNA, while its high ground clearance and short overhangs ensure excellent off-road performance. The company had 4 boards. Inside, the Avenger offers a spacious and tech-forward cabin designed for comfort and versatility. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a minimalist dashboard create a premium and modern atmosphere. The 5-seat configuration ensures ample space for passengers and cargo, while clever storage solutions add to its practicality. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 10.25-inch touch software, which features Jeep's latest Uconnect software. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, ensuring seamless connectivity. The fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, offering easy access to essential driving information. The Avenger is equipped with multiple drive modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport, as well as dedicated off-road settings like snow, mud, and sand, making it capable of tackling various terrains with ease. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist come standard, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. Optional features like a panoramic sunroof, a premium sound system, and additional off-road accessories allow buyers to further enhance their Avenger. Thank you for watching AutoReview Pro. If you enjoyed this comprehensive review of the 2025 Jeep Avenger, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates and reviews from the automotive world. Stay tuned for more.